Hello everyone, and today you'll be learning how to make a rock bookmark out of these rocks, this wood, and some markers. Now, I already got a head start on this, but I didn't really get a full head start on it, because all you need to do is heat up your hot glue gun and glue. So, and you can do any pattern, but I would suggest making sure your rocks are together so it has that like rock effect that you would want. Unless you want a different effect, you can. And so, boop. Going to add some glue there. And once I get to a relative spot to stop, I'm gonna add one more rock right there. Good, I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm going to attempt to get all these wax strings off. Now I'm going to take our markers. You can do any colors you want. These two are my favorite colors, so I decided to do these. And get fun with it, like color around. Doesn't have to be perfect, nothing is ever perfect. Just color around, have fun. Boop. Boop, boop. Now I'm gonna switch to my next color. Going to draw that line. Does not have to be straight. I definitely did not get it straight. You can take your time on this part and like add extra designs. I wanted to speed through because I like to be quick. Now, I'm gonna add another of the first color I did. I'm doing black since it's the same color as the rocks. And so I'm gonna do that, boop, boop. Once I'm done coloring this, go back to gluing the rocks. I'm gonna grab a few more rocks, because I definitely don't have enough rocks to cover this entire thing. There. So now I'm going to continue gluing my rocks. I would do this with parental guidance.
Guess what I did?
Shh. I would use parental guidance for this because hot glue gun can hurt if you touch it. So I would suggest leaving this for the grown-ups to do. So now, once I get to a spot where I feel relatively fine, I'm going to stop gluing. And you can write a cheerful message, like if you have an SOL coming up. You could say, hey, you got this. Or, you're gonna do great, you're awesome, or something like that, like a cheerful letter. I'm gonna stop there. Make sure you go and unplug this so no one gets hurt with the hot glue gun. Now, it's turned off. We don't have to worry about the hot glue gun anymore. So now, write a cheerful message. I'm gonna write, you got this. You. And then I'm gonna switch between colors because that looks really cool when you switch. You got it. This. Now, on the back, you can write your name and if lost, call whatever number. I'm not because I don't really want to, but that's how you make your very own rock bookmark. And please consider subscribing and have a great day.